everybody, and today I'm going to be showing you the final results of my DIY candy jar. This video is called DIY Candy Jar Part 2. And yeah, so this is how it turned out. It's really cool. Okay, I'm going to put my hand in the jar just to show you the sides. A little bit splotchy on the side, but who cares? On the front, it's cool. On the back, it's like all mixed and stuff. I just added that now. And yeah, it's just stripes in the front, and I love it. It's so pretty. I hear the ocean. Just kidding. Okay, so since it's it smells like paint. Since it's a DIY candy jar, we have to add candy into it. So can you guys guess what kind of candy it is? It is gummy bears. I have Haribo gummy bears. Got this already open. And we're gonna dump, I don't know, we may put all of them, I don't know, into the jar. So let's start with a little bit. This is so cool. By the way, I suggest you wash your jar before doing this. It's so cool. I think I'm gonna put all of it, yeah. It's so cool. I still have a lot in there. It might only fill up half of the jar, but who cares? It's just cool. I'm actually gonna fill it more than half. Last one. It's this red one. Okay, so can you see inside there? It's very cool. So this was my DIY candy jar. The last step to this is you're supposed to put the cap on. And it's a really cool decoration. Like you can put this wherever you want. And whenever you want to eat a candy, oh my god, you can see them on the bottom. So whenever you want to eat a candy, you can just take the lid off, reach in, and have a candy. It's hard. Alright, so hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Click the notification bell if you like fun. Bye.